Hello and thanks for joining us on ISWB TV Daily Headlines. I am Ireti Ayo. Senate President Bukola Saraki and Speaker of the House of Representatives Yakubu Dogara visited President Muhammadu Buhari in London. Saraki assured Nigerians that the president was witty and healthy and there was no cause for alarm. He also said that the president thanks Nigeria for their kind wishes and prayers. The federal government of Nigeria has promised to explore areas of strategic partnership and collaboration with civil society organizations in implementation of sustainable development goals. Adejoke Adefulire, the senior advisor to the President of Sustainable Development Goals, noted the role civil society organization plays in addressing main challenges of poverty and environmental degradation. The Federal Executive Council has approved the award of 12 road projects at a cost of 126 billion naira. Babatunde Fashola, the Minister of Power, Works and Housing, said the project will spread across Kano, Bauchi, Adamawa, Kwara, Gombe, Enugu, and Kaduna. The Independent National Electoral Commission has pledged to conduct credible elections in Ekiti and Osun State in the year 2018. Adedeji Shoyemi, the National Commissioner for Southwest Zone, said the previous post has been successful and that any election conducted this year or any other time would not be an exception. The Consumer Price Index inflation increased to 18.72% in the previous month, according to the National Bureau of Statistics. The Transmission Company of Nigeria has said the nation power generation rose from 3,728 megawatts to 4,043 megawatts between February 1st and February 15th, and this was due to the slight increase in gas supply to some power generating companies. Ayodele Fayose, the Ekiti State Governor, stormed to the headquarters of Ministry of Finance in Abuja to demand the release of the state's share of allocation in December. The minister assured him that things would be resolved as it was a mix-up. Professor Isaac Adewale, Minister of Health, said the Federal Executive Council has approved a new national health policy aimed at promoting the health of Nigerians to accelerate socio-economic development in the country. Benue State Governor Samuel Otom has given the people of Agatu local government 72 hours to provide killers of a soldier deployed to the area for peacekeeping. United States President Donald Trump urged Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to curb settlement activities but avoid any explicit endorsement of a two-state solution to the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. He vows to work towards a peace deal between Israel and Palestine. That's it on Daily Headlines. I am Ireti Ayu. Hello and welcome to ISWB Market Updates. I am FEB Tukur. More evidence that inflation has taken hold in the U.S. economy brought the best that the economy can withstand. Higher interest rates as it waits for stimulus from the Trump administration. More evidence that inflation has taken hold in the United States economy spurred bets that the economy can withstand higher interest rates as it awaits for stimulus from the Trump administration. U.S. stocks rose for a seventh straight day, giving the S&P 500 its longest run of gains since 2013. Markets in Europe were lower, with investors pausing for breath after fresh record closes on Wall Street in the previous session. The British manufacturing company Cobham was the worst performing stock. It was down 21% after downgrading its profit guidance. In France, data showed the unemployment rate dropping to 10% at the end of last year. Asian markets traded mixed despite U.S. stocks closing at fresh highs for a fifth straight day overnight. In Japan, the Nikkei stock average ended at 0.47%. In the currency market, the dollar slipped against a basket of currencies to trade at $104.84, down from a level above $101.50 in the previous session.
The yen strengthened against the greenback, climbing from the last close at 144.15, while Nigeria's naira had fallen almost 40% versus the greenback since it was weakened in June. Analysts say the central bank needs to drop the dollar further. In the commodities market, oil traded slipped back towards $53 a barrel in New York after government data showed that U.S. crude inventories rose to the highest levels weekly data going back to 1982. Gold advanced 0.7% to $1,234 an ounce. The flip side of declines in the euro, yen and pound in recent months has been a massive increase in gold buying as investors in Asia and Europe try to protect their wealth. That has been market updates on ISWB TV. I am FEB Tukru. Thanks for staying with us.